Hey you guys, and welcome back to another new video. I'm Siddhant from the channel #WhoSidFantasy, and we are back with another new video. Guys, today we are going to Singapore. This is our vlog 1, and as you can see, today I'm going to review Air India Boeing-787 Dreamliner, and yeah, it's behind me. Let me show you. This is the Air India Boeing-787, and yeah, we'll go inside and we're going to show you how's the look inside. Let's go. Guys, we are boarding now, and yeah, I forgot to tell you, we are traveling from Delhi. As you guys know, we are in TG3 terminal. We are in Indira Gandhi International Airport Terminal 3, and now let's board the flight. And here we start boarding, guys. Hey, we are coming. P787. Guys, so I'm in my seat. This is 20D, and I would say this is the best seat. Okay, so let me show you what I got.
This aircraft. Please pay close attention to this flight safety video. The use of mobile phones interferes with the aircraft systems. In the interest of safety, please ensure that your mobile phones are switched off or in non-transmitting mode such as flight mode or airplane mode throughout the flight. Laptop and electronic items may be used after takeoff only.
But it is recommended that you keep your seatbelts on during all phases of the flight, even when the seatbelts are off.
Space. That is the footrest, and yeah, we do have a good footrest. Then we got this in-flight entertainment system, which can be controlled by this thing, this remote. Let me turn it on. As you can see here, you'll get movies. There are a variety of movies like English, latest Hollywood movies like Wakanda Forever, as you can see. You'll also get old Hollywood movies like Finding Nemo, Everything Everywhere All at Once. It's latest, but yeah, sorry for the background noise, you guys know it. And then you also get Hindi movies. Like the recent release is Bhool Bhulaiya 2, Jabari, Ajayesh Bhai Jordar. Then this is the music system. Here you can listen to any Hindi song or English song, like area, play, like this. And then also you have games not available. But we also have one more thing, the map. You can see now we are about to cross Kolkata, then Bangkok, then Singapore. Yeah, let's go. Also, this is the tray table. Yeah, I'm going to edit my video right now. Let's go. Now we got Pepsi and they got us some crunchy corn Pepsi and water for 1700 BC. Let's try it. Guys, first of all, we are trying the Coke, and Coke is Coke, guys. It's amazing. 10 on 10. Next, let's try this crunchy corn. Okay, this crunchy corn is amazing. Okay, guys, we have secured our dinner, and now let me show you what we have got. Average, we have got this chicken curry, pulao, and this mixed veg. Then we have got this bread bites, water bottle, and this is bread and butter, our dessert, chocolate mousse, salad, dahi, and sugar, I suppose. That's it. And for vegetarian too, we have got paneer in place of chicken. We have got paneer tikka, veggies and pulao, and rest everything is same. Let's dig into our meal. So here I'm eating the rice and trying the chicken together. It is a very nice combination. An 8.5 out of 10. Next, we'll try this, the salad. The salad's good, around a 7 out of 10, I'd say. And let's try the mixed veg. Yeah, mixed veg is amazing. I'd say 8.9. Yeah, 8.9 out of 10. Then now we'll try the vegetarian meal. The vegetarian meal, the Shahi Paneer is a 10 on 10, I'd say. Love it. With rice, it goes amazing. 11 on 10. Guys, now let me enjoy my meal with listening to the Weeknd song. It's amazing. Okay, let's try the curd now, guys. So here's my sister at back. The curd, I'll mix some sugar and then, okay, 3, 2, 1, let's try the curd. The curd, yeah, it's good. It's tangy, but with the sugar, it's a 10 on 10. Now let's try bread and butter. It was around 2 a.m. and now we are going to try bread and butter. Okay, first of all, let me just apply some butter on the bread. And when you try this thing, guys, it's amazing. Now it's chai time, everyone's favorite. Let me mix some sugar with my black tea. They served us black tea at 3 a.m. Let me stir it now. And oh, they also gave us a chocolate mousse cake as dessert, and it's yummy. 10 on 10. And with that chai, black tea, it's amazing. Gosh, 10 on 10 again. This meal experience was amazing. And the bread butter, you know, at night it hits different. 8 on 10. This is overflowed. The last person, oh my god, what did you do? It's the washroom. Yeah, it's good. mega watches. So costly. Arrival. Gosh, this is crazy. Let's go, guys. Oh. So guys, in this airport, both departure and arrival takes place in the same place, you can say. Huh. So guys, this was the end of vlog 1. So next, stay updated for vlog 2. And if you like this video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay then guys, see you in the next vlog.